Hello traders, Adam Hansen here for ValorTrader.com, and welcome to this video where I just want to do a bit of a throwback to a system we tested a few months back. Actually, we started testing it in late December of last year, and we tested it for probably a good month and a half, I think, from memory. But the system is Esox Pattern Forex EA. And if you remember from the videos that I created about that system, it showed a lot of promise early on and was actually profitable up until the point we stopped using it. It was very profitable. We'd seen some really good results with it, but it got to a point and we actually pulled it from testing altogether despite those good results. And the reasons for that were, given its grid nature of trading, it was deemed to be a bit of a ticking time bomb. Essentially, it was profitable the whole time we were using it, but it would have only taken one sequence of trades, and you were potentially looking at a total loss of your account. Now, I just want to bring your attention back to Esox Pattern Forex EA, which has still been, although our review on the website has finished, these results still update as to the vendor's account and how it's performed up to date. So today's date is the 26th of July 2017. So these results are valid up to today. They are current. And I just want to show you how it's performed, and it will probably show you. Okay, so we can see here that I think we stopped testing at end of January. So we'd seen some solid results up to that point. It continued to perform quite well and then slam. Made a recovery of 233% in June and then slam once again. So obviously it has encountered one of those situations, and if we have a look at the cumulative profit here, and you can see exactly what's going on. So it's obviously encountered a situation like what we were expecting with, and there's no secret to the risks associated with trading grid style traders. And although just so you understand the whole grid style of trading, grid trading is more of a trade management process. There is a logic behind it, but the style, it's more of a trade management method. It's not a strategy as such. There is other logic behind what determines why the system gets into a trade in the first place. And then if the market moves in a particular direction, then it may look to open additional trades and employ its grid trading logic. So the logic behind how this thing trades, or why it opens a trade initially, is separate to that of the logic that I guess it is separate to the grid logic. So, and the logic that determines when and where it gets into additional trades is separate again. So so in line with ValorTrader's ambition to build a reputation to be entirely transparent, I just wanted to bring you this video. Yes, we were seeing some excellent results with this system when we were testing it, but this just goes to show that grid style traders can go horribly wrong, and it's exactly what has happened with Esox Pattern. So we pulled it because obviously there was some questions around the logic that was determining not only when it got into trades, but also the logic that determined when and where it got into additional trades. That just got us into too many situations where it could have gone horribly wrong too often. So whenever you're trading grid style traders, you accept that responsibility, you accept that risk, because you can't really escape it with grid style traders. So another system we are currently testing, which is a grid style trader, it's slightly different in terms of that it not only opens trades to recover positions, but it also opens additional trades to build on winning positions, which is an excellent feature, and we've seen some great results with that so far. Once again, we're accepting the risk associated with trading a grid style system, and that is Forex Flex Progressive Flex Hybrid, which you can see is one of our systems currently under test. And if we click on that tab there, that will take us to the MyFX book account for that system. Sorry, the internet's a bit slow at the moment. Okay, so we've been testing this system, still only on demo. We haven't quite seen enough trades for this one yet to take it to a live account. One thing I've noticed about this one is that it's extremely safe. It doesn't open many trades. We've only seen 55 trades in total since the end of April. So it's probably opened a dozen baskets of trades and is currently up 31.68%. If you're new to the Forex Flex idea, Forex Flex is it's a collection of systems. I think there's 12 systems in total, and basically when you subscribe to Forex Flex, you become part of a community. You have access to the 12 different or 12 original systems, but on top of the 12 original systems, there are countless variations of those systems getting around the private Forex Flex community. And within the community, other members are sharing ideas, sharing their own variations, and sharing their results, to which you get complete access to test as many of the systems on demo as you want. The membership comes with a single live account license. You can add other accounts to it if you wish. But yeah, so it's giving you access to a community from which you can learn and build ideas with other traders. This is just one such system that is available to you when you become a member of Forex Flex. So if we had to compare grid style traders with grid style traders, Forex Flex is far and away a much better offering than Esox Pattern. Yes, it is more expensive. I think it's probably 2.5, maybe 3 times the price. However, what you get, the value that it gives you is just much better. This particular system, as a direct comparison, the logic behind this system alone, Progressive Flex Hybrid, I believe is much better. The logic that determines when it gets into a trade is much better. The ability to add to winning positions, not just recover positions that go into drawdown, is a feature that Esox Pattern does not have. And in addition to that, all of the other systems that it gives you access to, all the other variations, and the community that it gives you access to, and the collection of minds, all working towards a common goal. So that's pretty much all I wanted to cover in this video. A bit of an update with Forex Flex, in addition to showing you, yes, there are risks associated with trading grid style traders, and that is a risk that you need to accept and take responsibility for before you even consider trading one of these systems. They can be very profitable, and I'm not saying that Progressive Flex Hybrid will suffer in any way as much as what Esox did. Once again, I believe that the logic behind why this thing trades, we've only seen 55 trades over the last 4 months, so roughly 15 trades a month. Esox traded a lot more than that. I think it was something in the area of around 100 trades a week. So a lot more activity, a lot more exposing itself to a lot more risk, and what the market has to throw up at it. So this comes across to me as a much safer variation of the Forex Flex system in general, and just a much safer grid trader in general as well. So once again, that's all I wanted to cover. I will leave a link to Forex Flex, the full review on the ValorTrader website, in addition to a link to ForexFlex itself so that you can check it out for yourself. If you've got any questions about either ForexFlex or Esox, please feel free to drop them below the video, and I'll endeavour to get back to you as best I can. If you wish to remain up to date with any future video releases, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you've liked this video, please by all means give it a thumbs up before you leave as well. Okay guys, so until the next video, happy trading and bye for now.